Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
You can see some really nice balconies, kind of interesting stuff. But this one, we're gonna get all this artwork. So what we're gonna do is just come along and go around the corner to the right, which is part of our street. And I just want to show off some of the artwork along the way. So this one is a Portuguese artist who paints throughout. So he has this sculpture right here. They do that with like a chisel. So they chisel into it. So the texture, and you can see the eyes. And you got more artwork over on this side and over here. But there's a little bit of a thing right here that differentiates it. So that's our Tesouro. This is kind of a cool street for artwork. It's over by this area called Sun Park, and I'll just kind of back up and show you. And then this is the Sun Park area, and there's more artwork kind of all over throughout this whole space. Later I'll come over and give a more indication of it, but there's another building that looks like the same kind of artwork right there. And then but this is going to be our focus street down this way, and then we're probably going to go around the block and come back over by Rua DuPont. So anyways, that's going to be our target street, so let's go check it all out. And we're back at our street sign, Tesouro. You got some kind of interesting apartments up there, like this whole space right up here. You can see some really nice balconies, kind of interesting stuff. But this one, we're gonna get all this artwork. So what we're gonna do is just come along and go around the corner to the right, which is part of our street. And I just want to show off some of the artwork along the way. This is like a Bart Simpson skull with a kind of a futuristic little bike right down at the bottom too. So this whole space is very good for Instagram photography. This is part of a hotel, so I think this is the London Hotel. And then behind the London Hotel, this is a slightly different street, but we're gonna come back. But you got this artwork on this street as well. But that's gonna be part of our target street. Tesouro kind of goes like that in a square. But you have all kinds of artwork on this trains lane as well. So let's just go down a little bit more, kind of show off. There's even this little artwork like this, even just that simple stuff that looks kind of cool. And then this area has these little things that connect to other streets too. So it goes through a building, and you can see the artwork all along. Macau, out loud. Old cool party, old school party, old cool's party. That's kind of cool. And we would enter right into another street with different artwork as well. You can see that one and that one. I guess I should just capture them because they are part of the scene as well. Okay, so we're on a totally different street now, but we're gonna go back to our target street. So there's tons of little streets everywhere. So this is just a little Lausa lane, Travessa de Lausa. So let's head back to our target street. You also have some coffee shops. This one is a Portuguese artist who paints throughout. So he has this sculpture right here. They do that with like a chisel. So they chisel into it. So the texture, and you can see the eyes. And you got more artwork over on this side, and over here. There's a little thing that says toilet. It's like toilet without the I. Toilet. Okay. So this is actually trains, but we're going to connect back to our target street, which is which looks like it's the same street. But there's a little bit of a thing right here that differentiates it. So that's our Tesouro. Looks like this street right here. So it's like this corner. So we are going to continue down it. So that's the original street that we were on anyways, Tesouro. And then you got some artwork here. And you got kind of a graffiti theme right there as well. Okay, so we'll continue down. Music Kitchen is coming up here. We'll just kind of navigate. Okay, so let me I'm going to try to go into the middle of the street here. So this is all part of our street too. And then this whole area has these balconies that are kind of interesting because they come out into the street quite a bit more. So they come out, and you can even see the rain guard stuff that they go underneath. It's kind of unique to this area. This area was built, the Portuguese area is up the hill, and then this was like on reclaimed land at a later date. And these apartments here kind of have this look throughout this little area anyways. About 4 or 6, maybe 6 or 8 blocks that are like this, something like that. They're all kind of marked the same way. These big balconies like that with those big windows. It's kind of cool looking. Okay, so this would be the end of our street of Tesouro right there. But just to give all the full context of it, I'm just going to show off one of the area that goes up to the Portuguese historical spot. And that would be this one right up here. So if we were to go up this hill, we would get up into this space that has like kind of all the historic Portuguese stuff. Would have been up that way. Some kind of cool things in here. This also has some artwork that we're going to capture real quick. So yeah, kind of a nice space. This is all called Gamboa. There's like Gamboa Travessa, Gamboa Rua, different names after Gamboa, and that goes up. But of course our target street would be this Tesouro down that way. And then we're also just kind of looking at the apartments because look how cool those balconies are up there. Like they have these giant, massive spaces of being outside. This is our target street right here. So that was our target street, and then it had like an L shape. But we're gonna just go down a little bit, and I'm just gonna give a little context, and we're gonna end this particular video in a few minutes, maybe 2 minutes from now. So I'm also going to show you up the hill to this other space that also goes up towards the Portuguese area. So you can see all of that. So let me just kind of go up a little bit. And you also have these apartments here too. And then this is Rua de Ponte e Horta, completely different street. But it has the same look as that one. And so what we're gonna do next is just go down our hill. And this whole street has that same look to it. But we're gonna go down, and then our target street is just gonna be this one right here. So we'll just continue down. And I also want to highlight Sun Park and some more of the artwork. So So we got about 1 minute left of the video, so stay tuned just so you can see the full feeling of it. It's kind of cool. Home of Macau right there. And then now we come into the Sun Park area, and we have all the black and white tiles. And then you have more artwork that goes all the way down that way, and there's another alley that goes down that way, and then you have this other building right here with artwork, and then we gonna conclude right back at our target street, which is right here. So there you go. We'll do Tesouro 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.